What is going on, guys? This is Louis, aka Kumatara, and here I bring a special video. Now, I've always wondered what type of difference between an UberX VIP call here in New York City and an Uber Black call, if it was around the same distance and around the same time duration. Now, today I was fortunate enough to have that chance. So let's go right into the trips. Okay, so that's 1633, which is 433. Let's scroll up kind of fast so you guys don't see the address. I will block that just for privacy reasons. Where I had a call for Uber Black at 115th Street in Amsterdam in Manhattan, going to JFK Terminal 7. And that duration was 1 hour and gave me $85. Not bad, right? Pretty good for one trip. 1 hour, that's not bad at all. That's pretty good. But then after I dropped them off, I immediately got a call for UberX VIP in Terminal 5 JFK, going to 113th Street in Amsterdam, which is insanely really close. That's just 2 minutes. I mean, that's just 2 blocks away from the Uber Black call pickup. So that duration was 52 minutes, which is 8 minutes less than the Uber Black, which is not gonna be like much of a difference in pay just for 8 minutes. You know what I mean? And just like 2 blocks. And that pay was $43. Ain't that something, man? That was virtually the same call going back to the same location that I picked up the Uber Black, and it's half the pay. That's insane to me. I honestly thought it was gonna be like $20 difference or something like that. You know what I mean? Because it was the same amount of time. I have the same vehicle in the same time. So why should it be that much of a difference? Now, I understand that the passenger chooses the type of car that they want, but good Lord, that's a huge difference. That's half. Now, my belief is if you have a luxury vehicle, it should be adjusted to what kind of vehicle the driver has, at least something, you know, to compensate for the type of vehicle that you're driving, even though that you're in UberX. Well, that's my belief, but as I said it before, autonomous vehicle will take over. It's just a matter of when they will take over. So enjoy what you can, guys. Today was an interesting day. Today I started at 7 in the morning. Got my first call at 7:20. My last call was at 9:42. I dropped like at 10:10. I went home. I ate. I played with my kids, my wife. I fell asleep after I ate, so that was pretty cool. I guess I was tired. And then I woke up. I went back out like at 3:30, 3:40, 3:50. And then I got my first call at 4:22. And then I finished off by like 7:10. So in total, so that would be 7 hours of work, and I got $247. That's not bad. I was going to go and stay up until like 10, but I don't know. My eyes feel tired, like I feel them slow, and it kind of hurts. So I don't feel 100%. And I always say, always cover your behind. If you don't feel 100%, then go home and rest. There is always tomorrow, so just be careful out there. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed the content, please give me a like. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and hit that bell, like Mr. Scotty says. And until next time, Lyft and Uber, Juno and Via on.